Today we've got a customer CyberPower PC on the bench. It originally came in with an RTX 4070, but unfortunately the card failed not once, but twice. At that point, the customer decided enough was enough and brought the system in for an upgrade to an RTX 5070 Ti. Since the old card was already out of the PC, all that's left is getting the new GPU installed and making sure everything fits and is connected properly. Once it's in, we'll fire the system up and run some tests to make sure it's performing the way it should and is ready for whatever game is thrown at it. Just because a pre-built comes from the factory doesn't mean it's problem-free. That's why we're here, to get people back up and running with hardware they can count on. Come see us here at Leon's Computers in downtown Selma.